Folks, it's getting hotter and hotter. Well, folks, here is the two of the fast riding stars and the Mr. Ralph and Carlo, featuring their only girl, Miss Cheska. Well, what can you say about their fans? And we will also interview some of their fans. So what can they say about their idol? Well, hi. Oh, hello. Yes, hello. What can you say that you are now seeing your idol play?
Actually, they were good, you know.
Well, girls, here, guys. These are the names that the girl is screaming.
That's so good! I sing. Me! I say what I say. I mean what I say. I say what I mean.
So, please keep up beat. Something else.
I say.
Manager.
Sige, manager.
Guys, look, this is a manager. Now, sir, what can you say that your artists are fast right? For me, I was so blessed that God did this for me, and
You know.
So, what is the secret? Well, the secret is their handsomeness, you know?
Handsomeness?
Pilo, inano sa pilo? Yes, English. Major in English, you know? So, their secret is their nice voices and their physicality. So, how did you get on their physicality for the band? David came as one, very well said, ladies and gentlemen. Well, please keep updated for the schedules of these. Well, girls, it's up to you. What can you say about these guys? Well, I'm here in their preparing for their next performance, the next gig. So, hi guys. We're kind of busy right now, but it's okay. But before we interview the guys, let's interview the gal. Well, the band. What can you say that you are with two of the most promising musicians?
Well, she's actually really talented because you can't play this instrument. It's actually really hard to play it. The only human.
According to the band, this is the secret of their success. The band started with an egg. Just a trivia, this girl named Jessica discovered this egg from her hen, who hatched 6 eggs, I think. So then, this is the unique one, the green egg that produces sound. Then she discovered 2 men with stars. So what can you say? What are your message? What is your message for the girls out there? Shouting their name. But for anything else, do you have a girlfriend?
Wala na magkakisikat na.
Yes. Sorry, girls. Well, think about you, Mr. Carlo. Oh, girls out there.
Wala na magkakisikat.
Girls out there. How are you? You better be following this guy. And how about you? Do you have a boyfriend? No.
She has a girlfriend.
And who's that guy behind?
This guy owns.
This is the life man.
No,
What can you say?
this guy
that
owns the YouTube bag.
the life?
No, this guy cuts our nails.
Going back to the manager, guys. We've been preparing for this interview. What is in the sunglasses if you can take it off?
Actually, my eyes have. Sure.
Yeah.
That's what
That's what they call sore eyes.
It's just the same with my throat absorbed.
No, I think because
Why are you
that's
talking
different
into a
from-
remote control? This is a magic remote control / microphone.
Oh, really?
Oh, this guy to me a microphone thing.
No, just kidding.
Okay, stop.